So today we're going to learn about iterator tools, and especially the dot product. And this product is useful for Cartesian plane multiplications. Basically, this is like some kind of we're closing to a matrix. So yeah, we can use it for us to multiply together, right? Two lists. And as you can see right here, this product is also similar to these comprehensions, something like this, right? Or nested for loops. Yeah, nested for loop is more appropriate here. So yeah, and also we can use list comprehensions in this similar manner, right? Okay, and let's try and implement the solutions here. We're gonna try to couple each numbers from starting from this, from leftmost to the right, right? Okay, let's go and implement this. First, we have to import product from iterator tools, and that will be import product. And after that, we will need variable a, and that will be coming from input. And that input, we need to split it, and we need to convert it into a list of integers. Map function is useful for that, and that's how we produce a list. And after that, we need it for b variable, the second input. And after this, we're going to print the result. And since the product is going to return a list of this answer right here, something like this, list of couples, right? List of tuples, sorry. A list of tuples, right? We will have to splat it. So splat it meaning we will take off the list, and it will just return only tuples, just like for loop, but we don't really need to use for loop right here. So we're going to use asterisk, right? And then product, and set a product. We'll pass A and B, and then we get, that's how we get the result, something like this. List of tuples. All right, let's try this and test it out. And it work. Submit. There you go. So that's the answer for iterator tools product.